Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Rebecca. I'm your host of Crafting and Crime Daily. But today, no crime. This is all about diamond painting. I am a watercolor artist and I have put together some of my artwork as diamond paintings and I wanted to show that to you. Two of them I have already released and they have sold for the most part. I have a few left of each and I wanted to show you those real quick before we get into what's new in my stash. Yeah. So here we go. They're all of like a 40 by 60 or 60 by 40s, 50 by 60. It's in that range because I like that range for, so you're not devoting your life to the painting. You're just, you're getting into it, you're enjoying it, and you have it done within a few weeks. And then you've got a beautiful piece of artwork. So let's go down to the table. I'll show you the two that I still have available. I've already unboxed these on the channel. I have the ornament. Let me move my coffee. Yes, it's morning here. I don't know when you're watching this, but here I've got this beautiful ornament painting. This is 45 colors with 4 fairy dust drills. I like fairy dust in my artwork. I think watercolor looks better with fairy dust rather than ABs. So lots of beautiful colors in that one. And then the other one that I have left, yes, it's the Christmas tree. I have like a couple of these left. And then I can pre-order them if you really like it. It's a vignette. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Anyway, it's a vignette. It's just this Christmas tree in the forest. It's really, really a beautiful, beautiful painting and very popular, I might add. So this is 47 colors with 3 fairy dust drills, a white, a blue, and a red. So these two are still available. I will let you know how you can get a hold of me when I finish showing you the other two. I'm going to put those aside. So all of the paintings come with, let me put this back here. All the paintings come with a toolkit that my sister put together. It's some goodies that's with a basic toolkit. There's a little tray, a pen, a placer, squishy, some tweezers, all those fun little things that we know and love in toolkits. And then this is how the diamonds come. You guys, look at this. They're gorgeous. This is one that I've already done. It turned out fantastic. These diamonds are so nice. They place so well. These are square paintings. I order all of mine in square. And beautiful. No gapping. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous painting. So, and then they all come with sticker sheets. Here we go. Sticker sheets that you can use to kit up your diamond painting. So let me show you the 2 new ones. I'm going to take it back down to the table. So here is the first one that I unbox it for you. I did a little poll on YouTube and these were the 2 that were voted most popular. Now I box all this up myself. So that's why it comes kind of loose like that. This is like this really pretty soft lint fabric with the serged edges to prevent fraying. It's got my logo on there. Where's the camera? My logo, Crafting and Crime Daily. This one is 40 by 50. So yeah, it goes this way. That's why. So let me show you the sticker sheet first. This is the butterflies, you guys. Look, the butterflies. So this is 56 colors with 5 fairy dust drills. It is gorgeous. Look. And I worked really well with it. I worked really hard with the artist to get just the rendering that I wanted on these 2 that most recent ones. because watercolor, sometimes you have some stray colors here and there, and I wanted them not to be stray. So here is the entire painting. I want to hold it up here so you guys can see the drill field. See how clear it is? Can you? There we go. It's really pretty. Poured glue. Look at all these gorgeous butterflies. I think I'm trying to find my favorite. It's this one down here. That one right there. That's my favorite. There he is. That one. Okay. So this is the drills that come with that. Look at all those beautiful colors. There's all the fairy dust. Fairy dust at the end. They're all in order. They're all in little baggies. If you just prefer to work out of baggies. I never have, but you know, that's okay. So we're gonna just put this one back into the box. Oh, gotta put this with it. So now you see how I box everything up. There we go. That is the butterflies. Oh, I saved the best for last, you guys. Another beautiful box. Even has butterflies on the box. Look at that. And diamonds. So this one is 60 by 40. It has 51 colors and 4 fairy dust drills. This is the bird, you guys. Online dating 2.0. So here's the sticker sheet. There's a picture of the painting there. I don't know if you can see it. The whole painting. 51 colors. 4 fairy dust drills. Look how beautiful, guys. Look at all the white. Oh, beautiful. That is 5,200, I think. I believe it is 5,200. It is 5,200. And here's the fairy dust right at the end here. Excuse me. Beautiful colors. So again, you get the toolkit that my sister put together. It's got a lot of goodies in here, I will tell you that. So I don't know if you can see the pink bird. Okay, I'm going to hold this one up so you can see it. Look, 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 look. The bird. You still can't see the pink bird. There's the pink bird. It's there. So apparently online dating in that one resulted in a baby bird, a little baby pink bird. So those are the 4 paintings that I have available. I can bring this one back if I have enough interest. Let me know if you're interested in that one. If I have enough interest, I will bring that one back. These are all $50 each, plus shipping if you are outside of the US. We'll just figure out what the shipping will cost and we'll get it to you. If you are interested, just message me on Facebook. The link should be down in the description. All the different links of how to get a hold of me on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Just let me know if you're interested. You can pay via PayPal. If you're in the US, it will be $15 shipping, so a total of $65 per painting. If you're outside, again, we'll figure it out. If you want more than one, I'll cut you a break on the shipping, and I'll try to ship them together. So that's it, everybody. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.